Hey guys, we're actually here today at Rooftop Macarons. We're bringing you our weekly Placer County update from here.
Yes.
Their brand new location in Roseville. We're super excited about it. They're going to do a soft opening tomorrow, and we'll put the details below. But we'll be here, so you can come hang out with us and have delicious macarons. What do you love here?
Oh my God, their Vietnamese coffee, their boba, their milk teas are fantastic. But their baked goods too. Like, I'm not a blueberry muffin guy. And holy Toledo, their blueberry muffin just slaps. So come by, check us out. Soft opening tomorrow. You guys won't regret it.
Absolutely. And if you're a client of mine and you've seen my Christmas presents that on your porch every year, and you know the macarons you get in there, that's from here. So come by and you'll get to have more.
Yeah, they got two locations. One in Elk Grove, that's the original, and then the Roseville is their newest location.
In the Nugget Shopping Center on Fairway. So, Gene, what do you have for the market update today?
Gosh, the market has been extremely volatile the last few weeks. So Freddie Mac posted this afternoon that rates are actually up to 6.49%. This is up from last week's 6.43%. Yesterday, Trump declared that the ceasefire is officially over at NATO summit in Ankara, Turkey. The U.S. struck Iran for a second straight day, and Iran has been boasting that they've hit the U.S. 85. They've hit 85 U.S. military sites in the last couple of days. Because of that, oil did spike between 5 to 6%. We went from $78 up to $80 a barrel, which isn't good because again, every time oil goes up, it triggers inflation. Mortgage rates go up.
Right.
The good news is their oil today. We did see it start to stabilize. Stocks are bouncing back. NASDAQ is up 1.2% as of this morning. But remember, one more escalation and oil spikes, and again, rates will go up. So the Fed released the June meeting minutes this morning, and the Fed unanimously focused on inflation. They see risks skewed upwards. They are ready to keep rates elevated longer, and they're not afraid to increase the Fed fund rate if inflation does not come down. And they basically killed any forward guidance, meaning that there's no more hints. The Fed's not going to hint on what they're going to do. Every meeting that they do, it's going to be a live decision, right? The big takeaway here, guys, May inflation is still running hot. September hikes possibly if inflation doesn't ease. And it's not good. But Alicia, what's happening with the market?
What we experienced last week is in kind of in our general Tri-County region, Placer, El Dorado, and Sacramento, the volume has increased, and we've had the highest volume since last year June.
That's good.
It increased since last year June, so that's good. The market is active. And not just inventory, but sales volume is what I'm talking about.
Nice.
So this week in Placer County, we have 151 new listings. That's down 6 from last week. The pendings are 101, down 32 from last week. Closed 113, that's down 17 from last week. So overall sales volume is up. Placer County stats just this week are lower, and I think that's because we had the holiday weekend. And I know everybody was out and about this holiday weekend working, was saying it was a little bit slow. I was in Pismo Beach, not sorry. But my listings I've showed a little bit of less traffic this week. But of the closed transactions, 33 were above ask and 29 were at ask. 51 were below ask. So that's still about half are above or at ask.
Wow.
So that's all still really good news. If you're priced right, like we keep saying, you're going to get you're going to sell it faster. So, and days on market went a little bit higher this week, probably because of holiday, 42 down up from 37. So, I think, we just have to stick with it. We got to hang in there, and we have to find where the business is. Okay, like if you're going to buy, and you're looking to buy, you got to look at the properties that are not just turnkey, but maybe have some value where you can put in some equity. Sellers just pricing right. What do you think, Gene?
I mean, are you still seeing high numbers with concession? Because I would say 80% of the business that I'm closing right now has some form of seller concession, and we're using that seller concession to buy down the rate too. So in a volatile market like this, any kind of rate buy down is creating some massive saving for my buyers. So are you seeing concessions going away, or are you still seeing it pretty strong?
They're still there. It's still a solid strategy. So,
So solution, seller concessions, and the Advantage Score 4.0. Take advantage of it because we are seeing about a 20 point difference in credit score, which has a significant impact in interest rates. So anyhow, guys, hope you're doing well. See you next week.
See you next week.
Bye.
And but first, macarons.
Oh yeah, macarons.
Bye,
Bye, guys.